Hello and welcome back to the second of our videos in this series. I'm Alan, and in this video I'm going to take you through websites and web pages. What are they and what are the differences? Now, you remember in the first video where Dawn talked to you about domains and hosting your domains. So we can think of your website as being your domain name. That's the base for your website, and from that we can add pages and they will then become the web pages. So your domain name is the base for building a website. Think of it probably as the foundation of your house, and then when you add the walls and all the little bits that go up to making the house, they can be your web pages. Probably just a little way of explaining it. And you can have as many pages to a website as you like. If you think of some of the more well-known websites, and we talk about things even like Google, that is in itself, google.com is a website. It's a domain, but it's also a website. And then all the other pages, think of Amazon, how many thousands, hundreds of thousands of pages that you can look at on Amazon. All those are pages, and they all fall under the main domain or the main website of Amazon.com. And you would look, in the instance we talked about before, your domain, when you buy a domain, say from Namecheap or wherever, www.yourdomain.com, that is yours, that is your website, and to that you can add many web pages if you want. And as I said, you can have as many web pages as you want. You can have thousands, or you can even just have one if that's all you want. So if you have a look at this example that I've got here, alananddawn.com, and I'll just bring up this page, you can see the alananddawn.com is our domain, and that's our website, and to that we've created a page, and this page is called How to Write a Blog, and you'll see it highlighted there in the blue. That is the actual web page. The whole address is the web page, and that is called a URL, which we'll touch on in the final video in this series. But suffice to say that we have this broken up in the two parts. The alananddawn.com is the website, and add to it the web page of How to Write a Blog, and then we get our whole web page address, and it's that address you would type in your browser to come up and see this particular post in our blog. And once again, as Dawn mentioned in the first video, you need to upload these pages. If you're in an actual blog, it probably is part of the blog functionality that will upload it for you, but suffice to say that everything on the web has to be uploaded before anyone can see it. Uploaded to your hosting company, and Dawn talked about HostGator, which is the hosting company that we use, but there are several and many hosting companies out there that you can use. And as we said, every page has its own unique address. This address, alananddawn.com, How to Write a Blog, that is the only page on the whole internet, the billions of pages on the net, that has that particular URL or that address. URLs, as I said, we'll be talking about shortly. So that's just a little explanation on the differences between a website and web pages. Very important that you understand these basics, and I know it probably sounds very basic, but there are a lot of people who do get confused with web pages and web sites. But suffice to say, that will be explained a little bit more even in the next video. So go ahead, click on the link below and look at the third and final video in the series, and I look forward to seeing you in that video. Bye for now.